I'd love to share with you the mouth rinse I've used most of my adult life. This mouth rinse has 4 incredible oral health properties. It can naturally brighten and whiten teeth at any age. It can strengthen weak and soft enamel and stop it from chipping, which is the main reason that fillings fail and have to be replaced over and over again throughout life. It can stop sensitivity in a matter of days, and it does this by stimulating an absorption of minerals from your saliva to go in naturally to repair the mineral defect that is usually the underlying cause of sensitivity. And lastly, it can help prevent and even reverse cavities. So why wouldn't everybody use this rinse? And the reason is there's a lot of misunderstanding and misinformation about a word called fluoride. So let's talk about that. And let's begin by saying fluorine, which is an element, and chlorine, which is an element, are sisters. They are very, very similar. You'll find them on this chemistry periodic table grouped together as in a family, and they're put next door to each other because they are so similar. They react in a very similar way. And chlorine and fluorine are gases that are very toxic. Don't want anything to do with those gases of fluorine and chlorine. But these elements react with other elements and form what are called compounds. And you have to understand which compound you are talking about because they form many, many kinds of compounds. They react with all kinds of other elements. And each compound has a different way of behaving. You can't group them all under one umbrella. For example, every day I eat some sodium chloride. Sounds like a scary salt of chlorine. But it isn't. It's regular table salt. It's Himalayan sea salt, sodium chloride. And the mouth rinse that I recommend is a stable sister salt of fluorine. It's the sister salt. It's sodium fluoride, not any other kind of fluoride. This is the only one I recommend. And it's very dilute. This is a 0.05 dilution, which is very dilute. Rinse it around. Anyone over the age of 6, spit it out, and you will enjoy these benefits. This act is 0 alcohol. It's the basic anti-cavity version. I don't believe you want any of the others because they start messing with the formula and adding different things. This is the one I highly recommend if you want those benefits